Hi, I'm Dr. James Rouse, and when you hear this, you are literally going to go nuts. I promise you. It's all about the power of one serving of nuts 5 times a week and how it can reduce your risk for heart disease in an amazing, powerful way. You know what's great about this study? It was done on really healthy people. Specifically, it was done on the Seventh-day Adventists. And what they basically found out, there was a group who had nuts at least 5 times per week, a serving, and there was a group who had very little nuts in their diet, if at all. And what they found out, the group that had the serving of nuts 5 times per week had half the risk or half the heart disease rate as the ones who had little nuts or no nuts in their diet. It was as simple as doing this, taking one serving of nuts Monday through Friday, and those people didn't have a risk for heart disease nearly as much as the people who had no nuts in their diet. This is a layup. This is something that's so easy to do, and this is something to start with right today. And what's awesome about this, it'll help you to think big, it'll help you to eat well, and it'll help you to move right now.